I'm putting it on video instead.
Oh, well.
I won't put you in it because
I don't want to be on it.
that's well
God.
bad.
Oh my word.
It's so rainy.
Look at it running down the pavement.
Oh yeah. Just look at it.
That's like about 3 days worth of rain in one go.
This better not turn into. We know we live in hill, so it'll be alright, won't it?
Yeah, new wellies I can borrow.
The flipping raindrops are covering the camera. Well, not covering the camera. But
It's seizing up a bit now.
oh,
Look at it all running down drains.
Whoa! Look over here. Come round here.
Yeah, it's all pouring down there, isn't it?
I know. Whoa! It's like a flipping river.
Chair dopey. Yeah, it's eased up a bit, it's just what's rolling down the street. I'll go and finish my book. I can't see anything else.
That's well bad.
I can't see it.
Whoa! Even the tin can is falling down. Look, a tin can is falling down.
It'll be everything in its path, won't it?